Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put a stand on our 7-ton log splitter from Titan Pro. The first thing to do is turn the machine on its back, locate these 5 nuts and undo them with a 13mm socket. That front foot removed, the next task is to locate 4 of the 13mm bolts from the pack, get the front leg, put one of the bolts through the holes, install the washers, and do up the nuts. Repeat this process for the other 4 bolts. Bolts are in place, get a 13mm spanner and a 13mm socket, do the bolts up in turn. Don't do them up completely, but go around each one, do them up slightly, and leave each one slightly loose to put the rest of the stand on. After you've attached the front supporting leg, come round to the rear of the machine, locate the wheels, get a small screwdriver, put it into the little hole to remove this cap. Underneath the cap is a small circlet. You'll need circlip pliers. Locate each part of the circlip plier into a circlet, open it up very gently, and it comes off. Keep this safe because you'll need this later on. Take off the wheel. Repeat this for the other side. After you've taken the wheels off, locate the 2 rear supporting legs. Now they are identical, so it doesn't matter which way round they go. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. Slide onto where the wheels just were. Locate your 2 remaining 13mm bolts. Go through the hole there. So if you bolt through, put the flat washer on first, and the spring washer. And then the nut. It's a bit fiddly to get in there. Just do it up. Finger tight at the moment. We'll do the same on the other side. So now you've installed the front and rear support legs. Get the rear axle and the centre support. Put the centre support through the rear axle. Locate the centre support in the front leg. Locate your only remaining bolts, should be 4 17mm. One on the front. This will hold the stand all together on the bottom. 2 on the rears. Stand in place, go around to each bolt and make sure you do it up nice and tight. There's the front leg, the 2 rear legs and all of the axle bolts. The last thing to do before turning the machine back over is to put on the wheels so you can move it around easy. Install the circlet, make sure it locates into the groove, reinstall the cap, clicking it into place, do the same on the other side. Now the stand is installed, make sure you keep hold of your front foot